Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the differences between Hidden Gems Online Edition and Local Edition. Hidden Gems Online Edition is available at hiddengemsml.com, and the application online, as hosted, allows you to try out the features of Hidden Gems, but in a limited way. In particular, the one restriction is that in Online Edition, only the first 5,000 rows of your data will be analyzed. In some cases, depending on the data that you have, this may even be sufficient. It may give you enough that you can actually do the execution here and get a result that's useful to you. But in many cases, the rule is the more data, the better. And I expect that you'll often have much more than 5,000 rows of data you want to analyze. In this case, the solution, the option that's made available is to use local edition. So you can get local edition just straight from the home page by clicking Buy Local Edition. And what local edition will allow you to do after being purchased, it'll allow you to execute analysis on your local Windows or Linux computer. So the data stays with you. I'm hosting this. I'm not logging anything, so I don't know what you're running, but the data comes to me. And depending on the kind of data you have, that may not be preferable. So local edition allows you to execute everything internally. The only internet connection is required for activation, I think. It also has no imposed row limit. So you're able to execute analysis for as much data as you'd like. It'll just be a matter of time. Hidden Gems will execute for as long as permitted by some calculations I have in terms of total duration based on the size of your data. Now you would ask, why would I have any limit at all? Why restrict the online edition? And it simply comes down to cost of execution. The hosted cost to execute large amounts of data is excessive and really overly excessive for what we're getting out of it. Whereas if you execute locally, it's really only costing you the electricity to run. So it might be 50 cents to $1 for a long running, 8-hour analysis if you have something like that. That's the difference between online edition and local edition. It's that your data stays with you and that there's no imposed row limit when using local edition. All right, thank you very much. I hope you find the tool useful in giving you an additional perspective on your data.